Today I want to show you how you can record on your Mac if you are new to Mac or you're making YouTube videos on Mac. So yeah, let's get started. So you go to your Spotlight, search, and you type in QuickTime Player. I also got this Mac, so I'm pretty new to it. So don't blame me for that. So click QuickTime Player and just click on it, and yeah, it will pop up like this down here. So when you click on it, you can click up here, minus in Danish. Just click on it and you can record sound or like movie or just your screen. So this is your screen recorder. I'm using the screen recorder right now, so I can't click on it, but just click on it and a little box would pop up. I just click with microphone, and then you can record. It's not the best graphic, as you can see in the video, but it's okay. So, like if we go to YouTube, you can kind of see the graphics. Yeah. So let's take this one. So you can kind of see the graphics. So yeah, it's called the QuickTime Player. You don't have to download anything, so it's easy and free. So yeah guys, bye.